It is almost 7 a.m. and the boys are up. They woke up at 6. Gonna make some breakfast, and Myron's gonna do round 1 of shoveling. I like to put my clean dishes away before I cook, so I'm gonna put this away and then get started. You ready to shovel some snow?
Yep.
You ready, Myron?
Yeah. You can look out the window. You guys.
All right, have fun shoveling and making something.
Yeah.
Ooh. How was it?
Good.
Is it cold out there?
Yeah, I make some.
What did you make?
I'm trying to make some.
You were trying to make something?
Yeah, but I tried to do all the snow.
Okay. Dishes are away. I'm going to make some turkey bacon and some egg and cheese with spinach quesadillas.
Mommy was chefing in the kitchen. Is that about the door, please?
Dishes done, pavement shoveled, and breakfast made, all before 9 a.m.